Hello students, once again welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are fine. So we are back again with a new video with the practical number 23 for class 12 computer science with Python practical file. And our today's video is based on interface Python with MySQL, and the practical is to write a program to update a particular record, and if that record is not found, display appropriate message. So let us understand how to perform this practical. For this, we are going to move on to Python ideally. And here we have imported mysql.connector module as m. Then we have created a connection object using the connect function and the 4 parameters in which our database is school1 and the table name is student. Then we have created the cursor instance using the cursor function. Now we need to write down the query in order to update the record. So it is written using the execute function, and then we have to specify the update query. Update, name of the table is student. In this we want to set a name for a particular roll number. So we will say set name is equal to, and name has the character type value, that is string value. So this will put in the quotes. This where roll number is equal to, again it has a particular value. Query is done. Dot format, and here we will take the roll number from the user. Roll number equals to int input, enter the roll number whose name is to be changed or updated. So this we are going to specify, and in this, since we have taken the data roll number from the user, so we have to set a particular name. Suppose we set the name as Preeti, and roll number will take from the user, so we'll write here roll number. So this we can check from MySQL. Roll number 3 has the name Priya, so we are changing it to Preeti, or any other roll number who has a particular name, we want to change it to Preeti. Suppose in this case we want to change the name to Preeti of roll number 3. So roll number we will take from user and name we have specified as Preeti. Okay? So this also, name also you can take from the user also if you want to take. Here we have taken roll number from the user and name we have given ourselves here. Now one statement we would like to print, that will say record updated. Okay, and then we are going to use the commit function, because in case of insert, update and delete or any such type of manipulating command, we need to use the commit function so that the changes are reflected in the database software also. And then we are going to close the connection object. Okay, so we'll say record updated, and then we'll say see the changes. Now let us run it and check it. Enter the roll number whose name is to be changed. Suppose we say roll number 3. It says record updated. Okay. Now we will go to MySQL and check again using the select statement. You can see here earlier the roll number 3 name was Priya, and now it has changed to Preeti. So these are the changes which have been done. In case suppose we enter a particular roll number which is not there in our table. Suppose we have roll number 1, 2 and 3, but we do not have roll number 4. So in that case what should happen? In that case it should say record not found. So in this case what we are going to do is we will use the select statement for this one, because after updating we want to just check what the changes have been made. So we will say select star from student where roll number is equal to that particular roll number, comma, dot format, and then the roll number. Okay, so after this we need to put it in any variable. Suppose we take a. In a we are going to take the fetch1 function. A is equal to cur dot fetch1, and then we have print. First we will check that a has some value. If a equals to none, suppose that particular roll number is not there, so a will have the value none. So in that case we will say record doesn't exist. Record doesn't exist. Otherwise we'll say the record is a. So we'll say else print the updated record is a. Right, so we are going to do it like this. ठीक है, नाउ वी विल गो टू MySQL एंड चेक इन दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेड द चेंजेस वन दैट इज प्रीति। तो हम इसे वापस से एक बार इसको प्रिया कर लेते हैं। अपडेट स्टूडेंट सेट नेम इज इक्वल टू प्रिया वेयर roll number is equal to 3. Okay, so this we are going to do. Now again if we check the data, so we have this one, roll number 3 is Priya. Although you can take the name also from the user, roll number we have already taken from the user, and we can take the name also which we need to take from the user only. Now we are going to run this program. अभी हमारे पास roll number 1, 2 और 3 है. Suppose मुझे roll number 2 का name change करना है प्रीति, तो it has okay, execute function की हमारी जो spelling है that needs to be correct, EC. So we are going to run it and enter the roll number whose name is to be changed, suppose 2. The updated record is 2 Preeti 11 R2. तो यहाँ पे देखो पहले जो था हमारे पास roll number 2 वो the person name was Rishi, the student name was Rishi, and now if we check it again it has been changed to Preeti. ठीक है, roll number 2 का जो है वो प्रीति हो चुका है। ठीक है, तो इस केस में हमने क्या किया, यहाँ से हमने ये चेंजेस कर दिए। अब हम वापस से अपने इस पे जाते हैं एंड नाउ वी विल टेक सच अ रोल नंबर जो इसमें एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता। 1, 2 और 3 है हमारे पास, दोबारा से हमने इसको रन किया और अब हमने यहाँ पे दे दिया रोल नंबर 7। तो इट सेज रिकॉर्ड डजंट एग्जिस्ट। इट मीन्स अगर वो रोल नंबर है तो उसका नेम चेंज कर देगा, और नहीं है तो उस केस में इट विल से रिकॉर्ड डजंट एग्जिस्ट। एप्रोप्रिएट मैसेज इसने हमें डिस्प्ले करके दिखा दिया। तो दिस इज आवर कोडिंग ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम along with the output. Now let us take its screenshot with Windows Shift and S. हमने इसको यहाँ से इसका screenshot लिया with the MS Word and we have pasted the screenshot here. Then we will adjust it as per our requirement on the page. Then इसके बाद हम यहाँ पे एक heading देंगे output like this one. And इसके बाद हम यहाँ से जाते हैं अपने output screen पे और यहाँ से हम इसको वो कर लेंगे, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेंगे इतने पार्ट का। स्क्रीनशॉट लेने के बाद वी आर गोइंग टू पेस्ट इट एंड लाइक दिस। ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ वी नीड टू डू दिस प्रोग्राम, updating the record, and if the particular record that is roll number is present, well and good, update the data. If not present, then display appropriate message. Both outputs we have taken, जहाँ पे record present है और जहाँ पे record present नहीं है. So this is how we have to do the coding of this program, students. I hope this is clear to all of you. Still any doubt is there, please ask in the comment section. If this video is helpful to you, you can share it with your friends also, so that they can also be helped in making the practical file. And I'll meet you in my next video with the practical number 24, which is the last practical of this file. That is to delete the records from the table, again with interface Python with MySQL. And till then, have a good day and thank you so much.